Hello everyone. Today we'll start formation of a company. So let us discuss one by one. What are all the stages involved in the formation of a company? There are four stages involved. The first one is promotional stage, incorporation stage, raising of capital stage, and the fourth one is commencement of business stage. So let's start with promotional stage. Normally, the promotional stage involves following steps. The first one is approval of a company name is done through a register of a companies. Second one, signatories to the memorandum of associations are fixed. Third, certain professionals are appointed to assist the promoters. Fourth, documents are prepared for the registration of a company. In this stage, what you will do is you have to get, before starting a company, you have to get a name approval from registration of a register of a companies. After giving a name approval from the register of a company, then only you can start a company in a society. Then we have to prepare memorandum of association document. In this document, the employees, members and directors have to be signed. And after the preparation of memorandum of association, the next step is you have to appoint certain professionals like auditors, bankers to perform company activities. After the first three steps are over, you have to prepare certain necessary document for the incorporation of a company. That is, the first one is memorandum of association, second articles of association, agreement copy and statutory declaration copy. So what is memorandum of association copy is it consists of complete company information, and articles of association consist of rules and regulations of the company, and agreement copy consists of employees and directors agreement. We have to work in that company. And the last one is statutory declaration copy. That is, you have to get a written statement from the court that your company is legally approved. So after the preparation of these documents only, the promotional stage is over. So the next stage is incorporation stage. So in this stage, these steps are involved. That is, an application is made by the promoters and submitted to the register of a companies along with the necessary documents, and the register, after due scrutiny of a documents, issues the certificate of incorporation. The registration may be rejected only in the case of major defect in the documents, and the certificate of incorporation is a conclusive evidence of the legal existence of the company. That means in this stage, promoter will send application to the register of company along with a necessary document for the incorporation. Then the register of a company will verify these documents. If the documents are correct, then company will issue the certification of the incorporation. After the getting of the certificate of the incorporation only, the company is proceeded into next stage. So the next stage is raising of capital stage. In this stage, there are 8 steps are involved. First one is getting SEBI approval, filing a copy with a prospectus with a register of a company, appointment of a brokers, bankers and underwriters, ensuring minimum subscription is received, application for a listing of a company securities, refund, adjust excess application money received, issue of allotment letters to the successful applicants, and the last one is file return allotment with a register of companies, that is ROC. In the SEBI approval stage, what we will do is we will get the permission from Security Exchange Board of India before trading any shares and securities in the stock exchange. And after getting the SEBI approval, what we will do is we will file the prospectus and we will send to the register of a companies to get the approval. Then we already discussed with the appointment of a brokers and bankers and underwriters will appoint these professionals to carry business activity. Then you will ensure that minimum subscription is received from the underwriters. After the all above procedure is over, what you will do is along with the application you will send the application letter to the stock exchange for the listing of securities. Once you send the application letters to the stock exchange for the listing of securities, you have to pay certain amount of money to the stock exchange to trade your shares in the SEBI. So the next stage what we will do is, while sending application to listing of securities, if you paid any excess of money to stock exchange, that money will be refunded. Then while issuing the allotment letters to the successful applicants. And finally, the promoter what will do is he will file the return of allotment to the register of company. So these 8 steps are involved in the raising of capital stage. So in the final stage, that is commencement of business stage. In this stage, a declaration about the meeting of the minimum subscription is a requirement. Second one, a declaration about the details in respect of the allotment of the directors, and a declaration about no money being payable to the applicants. So these 3 steps are involved in the commencement of the business stage. And finally, the statutory declaration copy is issued by the register of company. So to conclude, after the completion of all above 4 steps, the register they shall examine all the above documents, and if there is any found satisfactory, a certificate of company commencement of business will be issued. That means once the company gets certificate of incorporation, company can start legally business in the society. Thank you.
Hello, if you have any doubts, you can email us at pavanasutatutorials@gmail.com or to the lecturer here, maltesh96@gmail.com. And please do subscribe to our channel and leave a like and share this video as much as possible. Check the description below for the notes for this class.